We are just leaving Pigeon Forge for home, and of course there's a gigantic rainstorm here. 123 miles to the house. Looks like with the charge we picked up when we first got here, we're at 57%. We'll be home with 5% to spare, so that should work out. Heading to get a little Scottish breakfast this morning and then on the road. Yeah, look at it come down. Holy mackerel. We found all the middle of the rain. Stopping here for a Scottish breakfast, and then we will head on down the road. The computer is taking us on a new route even. Maybe similar or on the same route as we came up on. Not sure. I can't see it when I'm driving here. It's too much rain and stuff. But it's okay. It's going to get us back that way. Looks like we got to stop in the Asheville Supercharger now, which is fine. We usually do that anyway. It looks like we're on the same road we came up on. Cool, doesn't matter, works out okay. And it looks like we're driving along with the rain, so that's going to be an interesting day today. No problem. We've finally driven out of the rain. It was a big thunderstorm apparently. Winding our way through the backwoods of Tennessee now.
turn right onto Cosby Highway. In 500 feet, turn left onto Foothills Parkway. Now turn left onto Foothills Parkway.
close to our turn here to the south on Interstate 26, getting into a lot of the Asheville traffic here on Wednesday morning. It's now a little after 9 o'clock. Yeah, we're just transitioning to 26 eastbound here, which is right here, and of course the whole world stops. Right. All right, we've gotten rid of most of the traffic at the Gore Point here. Got this gigantic piece of machinery here. Wait till I can clear them and then I'll go by here. Eastbound 26. Yeah, we just passed the Asheville Supercharger here. I removed the Asheville Supercharger since it was added along the way, and now I've got an 11% arrival at my house. Now the good part is from here, it's kind of downhill all the way to my house, so they're not going to use a lot of energy anyway. So there you go. I charged up once in Pigeon Forge at 80%. And then drove around, and now I'm driving all the way home with that single charge from Pigeon Forge. Yep, just in construction here. Yeah, I know. Look. That's okay. I guess we're allowed now. Going through Hendersonville, North Carolina now. Still on the Interstate 26 here. Still construction. It'll be for another several miles, and then we'll drive out of it. Following another Model 3 from Colorado. He must be heading to Florida or something. Or maybe he lives here, I don't know. Seeing Teslas everywhere this trip. Holy mackerel, they're everywhere. They want us to get over. Yeah. They just got on the interstate here with their blinkers going. They got in the left lane. So, guess that means get over.
Or not.
Or not. Maybe they don't know they're on. Maybe there's a wreck, you know, who knows.
I don't see any red anywhere, but
Nothing yet. Getting close to home now. Another about 8 miles, 10 miles to go here. Still on Interstate 26. I made it home. 257.5 miles, 71 kilowatt hours used, and that's up and back 257.5 miles worth. I averaged 274 watt hours per mile. I was going in the gorge up over the Foothills Parkway both ways. It's pretty good, actually. Had a good time. I arrived home with 9%. Now remember what I did is I went ahead and charged here to 90%. I drove all the way to the Pigeon Forge Supercharger. I arrived at, I think it was 36%. I charged again to 90%. I messed around for 2 days. We drove around and did our thing there, and decided to just leave this morning. I started with just under 50%, I think it was. I don't remember. Here, I'll have to look at the video. Then I arrived here at 9%. No stops. It was a good day, good trip, and the Model Y performed flawlessly, and especially since it was clean. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like, click subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon. If you'd like to buy yourself a Tesla, and who would not, the referral link shown here at the bottom of the screen gets you 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next one, and take care.